Namaskara. Welcome to the enchanting Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Today we are exploring Thosegar Waterfalls near Satara, a hidden natural wonder where roaring cascades meet misty valleys and endless greenery. Thosegar is just about 20 kilometers from Satara city, tucked away near the quiet village of the same name. What makes it special is not just one, but a series of waterfalls that together drop nearly 500 meters. The tallest single plunge is an awe inspiring 200 meters, disappearing into a deep gorge. This landscape transforms with the seasons. In the monsoon from July to October, Thosegar bursts to life, water thundering down the cliffs, forests glowing in rich green, and mist dancing in the air. Come winter, the falls calm down, creating a gentler but equally serene charm. Reaching here is part of the adventure. From Satara, a short scenic drive brings you to the Chalkewadi plateau, dotted with giant windmills. A half-kilometer walk through paved pathways then leads to a safe weaving gallery where the grandeur of Thosegar unfolds before your eyes. As you approach, the sound of rushing water grows louder. Standing at the viewpoint, you see multiple cascades, some small and gentle, others plunging dramatically into the gorge. The tallest fall dives almost 200 meters, filling the valley with thunderous echoes. The surrounding forest is alive with bird calls, cool breeze, and clouds drifting low over the cliffs. It feels like nature's own amphitheater, raw, powerful, and peaceful at the same time. Thosegar is best enjoyed as part of a day trip. Just nearby, you can explore the Chalkewadi windmill farms stretching endlessly over rolling hills. A little further lies the Khas Plateau, famous for its seasonal windflower bloom and recognized as a UNESCO biodiversity site. History lovers can also visit Sajjangarh Fort, offering panoramic views and spiritual heritage. Thosegar is not only about waterfalls, it's about slowing down, breathing fresh air, and letting nature refresh your soul. As the mist rises and the roar of water fills the valley, you realize this is more than just a destination, it's an experience. As you approach the waterfalls, the sound of water grows louder. From the viewing platform, you get an expansive view of a deep gorge with cliffs from which water cascades in multiple tiers. Some smaller falls drop about 15 to 20 meters only, while the main fall plunges about 200 meters. The surrounding forests are thick and green, especially in monsoon with mist dancing around the rocks. There is often a tranquil lake or pool at the base, though access into the water is restricted and it's not safe also. You should also keep your eyes peeled for bird life. Thosegar is home to many bird species drawn by water and forest. Thosegar is not just about waterfalls. It is about the feel, fresh air, the roar and mist of cascading water, the green forest, the peace. It's a reminder of how powerful yet gentle nature can be. If you ever want to escape city noise, recharge, or find beauty in the small things, Thosegar is waiting. At Thosegar, it is not just about waterfalls. As the mist rises and the roar of water fills the valley, you realize this is more than just a destination. It is an experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations of India's hidden gems.